Alright, welcome back to the channel, Yaya Performance. I'm Tech. Behind the camera, you got Yaya. Today we're going to be introducing a new vehicle to Yaya Performance. You guys probably have seen it already, but if not, here it is. Alright, what this is it's a 2005 Acura RSX Type S. As you see right here, the color is I guess you can call it a tan from a Toyota Tacoma. It's a Toyota Tacoma color. We picked it up from an auction recently. Needs a little bit of work. So far, we've already started, which we'll be adding some photos later, some little clips to show you what we've done so far. But let me start walking you around the vehicle and show you. So as you can see, it has call this an A-spec kit on it. Again, you can see it needs a little bit of work. The previous owner, I guess they didn't take care of it too well, but it has the stock wheels, look like it's been painted before, Jordan slotted front rotors, currently sitting on TN suspension, coilovers. Those need to be replaced as well though, because they've seen better days. You can see it has all the red H badges on it, Type S wing. Yeah, other than that, for the most part, it's basically stock. Other than it does have K-Tune exhaust. I think it's 3 inches straight back, custom piping, and then 3-inch. And then a K-Tune muffler. It also has, I believe it's DC Sports headers. And yeah, again, that's basically it. Let me pop the hood and show you guys. Headlights. Not sure where they got the headlights from, but there's some aftermarket headlights. Probably going to be replaced as well.
Probably.
So here you go. Here you have it. Basically a stock K20 Z1 stock motor for these cars. Again, it has it's DC Sports headers. It actually has some aftermarket innovative engine mounts. Might be just one. It looked like it's just one here, which does look damaged as well. Might need to be replaced. But of course, you know, we're gonna clean up this engine bay and have it looking like La Chancla,
Whoop whoop.
Yaya's
Race car.
race car. Yeah. But you know, leave in the comments if you think we should remove you know, AC, power steering, and all that stuff. ABS. Clean up the bay a little, maybe do a wire tuck. Let me know what you think.
That's called a tech tuck.
And also, let me know if you think we should go all motor or turbo with this car, or even nitrous. Who knows?
Woo!
Yeah, this is it. 05 Acura RSX Type S DC5.